Let's talk about the way that you choose a portfolio type inside of Acorns. Acorn provides 5 types of portfolios, each with a different risk level and a mix of ETFs such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. To look at the type of portfolio that you have, or in order to choose one from the home screen of your Acorns app, make sure you're inside of investing and then tap on the invest option. Now if you don't yet have or have not choose up a investing type or a portfolio type, you're not gonna see the section. But however, if you have added in some investments, you're gonna see the breakdown of the assets that you have purchased. So the different types of portfolios are conservative, moderately conservative, moderately aggressive, and aggressive. Each portfolio types includes ETFs from providers like Vanguard or iShares, covering assets like US stocks and international stocks as well. Now in order for you to choose a type of portfolio, you can just tap on the considerations option, and then you can tap on each type of portfolio to see the ETF breakdown and the historical performance. Confirm your choice by just tapping on it, and then you can later on adjust if needed. So tap on any investment type that you need or that you would like to add in for your portfolio, and you can later compare it to how it performs on a long-term basis. So that's the way that you choose a portfolio type inside of Acorns. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.